Good, taking a video.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we're working to replace the keyboard in this computer so that Lulu
can have a computer when she goes to college.
Exactly.
And I'll also get to sleep in her bed, I guess.
Well, that has nothing to do
with
what we're working on right now, although perhaps she will be so grateful to you for helping her that she will allow you to use her bedroom. Although the message there can sound really bad depending on how you word it.
Correct.
This one really... I wish I had one of these.
Use gravity.
Yeah, I'm a little wary about these little tiny guys. Because if it falls over here, it's going...
Well then why don't you put the computer over here and then it won't fall off? We're having a little problem over here. We'll have to...
That's not a problem, it's just... There,
yeah,
got it.
There.
Not a problem.
See?
Can the camera focus? Whoa, don't you zoom, not at that.
That's good.
Okay, let's go on. I think this is going to be a very boring video, but I would turn it off if I were you.
Well actually, I'm liking it so far.
Okay. Now we can do those Phillips screwdrivers.
I got them.
You want to do them?
Yeah. Let's go over the camera, please. Please do not turn it off. Oh. I don't like screws.
Give it time, boy.
Oh wait. Okay, you're starting to communicate with me. I can't see you. Came out. Eureka. Goes in box number 7.
Using a numbered pillbox to keep track of the screws. Best idea ever.
Correct. Oh, there you are. I used gravity both times to help me get them out. Now we're going to the next step. Take out those four. What are those four? Well, there's one right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I found all 4 of them, and what do you like to do one day?
I'll do as many as you want, but I'm having a decent time being a cinematographer. Uh-oh.
What?
I'm going crazy with my cinematography tricks.
What are you talking about? Why do you have to flip it over a bunch of times?
Wow.
Did you see? Are we... Hey, check it out. It just came off. Where? Okay, it's right here. Box number 8.
I'm trying my crazy director's whip pan. Oh wait, I'll be an episode of NYPD Blue.
Smart.
They always do these shaky.
Number 8. Cigarettes, scraps. Wait, now which one is it? Next is that one, correct. Why do you do that?
It's a good angle. Just pay attention to what you're working on.
Okay. Box number 8, and that job is done. Next step. Number 9, remove the ones. Oh, go over here.
Yeah.
Well then, let's get started, shall we?
If by let's you mean you.
And question, are we gonna put this on YouTube even though this is kinda weird?
That's up to you.
I do wanna put this on YouTube though.
It's very long. I have the feeling it'll be exceptionally boring to anyone who might want to watch it. Except maybe you.
And probably my Uncle Aaron. He won't. I don't think he'll find it.
Aaron, if you make it this long into this video, you give us a call and let us know.
I know, because seriously, this is a long video so far. And we have how many more minutes
I don't know.
on the clock? It should say in the...
Oh, you mean how much time left before
Yeah.
the battery's out?
No, how much time before it stops filming.
Oh, 21 minutes, but at that point the video will be far too large to be uploaded to YouTube. In fact, I'm going to stop it now just in case it...
No.
No, we can continue part 2 in a moment.
Correct.